Bangkok Metropolitan Region. The Bangkok Metropolitan Region BMRTI krung mhang lapram RTGS krung thep maha Nakhon le parimonthon. The political definition is defined as the metropolis and the 5 adjacent provinces of Nakhon Pathom, Pathum Thani, Nonthaburi, Samut Prakan, and Samut Sakhon. Area and population. The Bangkok Metropolitan Region political definition covers an area of 7,762 km2. Due to the success of the service and tourism industry in Bangkok, the city has gained in popularity for work among provincial Thais from the rural areas and with people from many countries in the Indochina region, as well as many South Asian countries. Since around the turn of the century, there has been a large influx of Indians into Thailand, especially Punjabis, Gujaratis, Tamils, and Pashtuns, and also Persians, Portuguese, Khmer Krom, Mons, Chinese, as well as others emigrating to Thailand and Bangkok. There are large numbers of workers who legally reside outside the metropolitan area and travel into the city for day jobs. The population of the Bangkok metropolis, the city, increases to 9 million during the day, from 8 million at night. The morning influx into the greater metropolitan region is not very significant. Rather, the influx is seasonal depending upon crop seasons in the rest of the country. Urban build-up. Bangkok has seen rapid urbanization since its population reached 2 million in the 1960s. Since the 1980s, Greater Bangkok's built-up areas have spilled beyond Bangkok's borders to neighboring provinces, initially to the north and south. Despite a general suburbanization trend, Bangkok remained centralized and the city core remained extremely dense until the early 2000s as heavy commuter traffic limited choices. The countryside between once independent towns and the capital became ever more filled in. With the advent and expansion of urban rail transit, as well as cheap credit enabling automobile adoption by the working class, the outward push of suburbanization has intensified as park and ride lots near train stations have sprung up. In a manner similar to Los Angeles, Bangkok is transforming into a region where traffic flows in all directions rather than simply to the central core as it once did. Suburbanization has swallowed ever more fields and swamps, though even parts of Bangkok itself are not built up. The first areas to suburbanize were in Pathum Thani, Nonthaburi, and Samut Prakan provinces. Other areas more recently have agglomerated in Samut Sakhon and Nakhon Pathom. Samut Prakan, Nonthaburi, Pathum Thani, and Samut Sakhon all have historic city centers. Due to a lack of strict zoning laws, the metropolitan area's growth appears haphazard. Central areas like Yeowarat, Siam, Sukhumvit, and Sathorn have seen skyrocketing land speculation as foreign investors are allowed to own condominiums, giving rise to Manhattanization. At the same time, fringe areas are being developed and the boundaries are no longer visible between each provincial city center. Due to the speed of this urban sprawl over the past 20 years, the Bangkok Metropolitan Administration has sought to tackle rising problems of commute times, pollution, and deteriorating air quality. Air quality has been declining year by year, and the city still lacks an effective mass transit network outside Bangkok proper and a clean and effective plan to resolve environmental issues. Population. Sources: http://www.citypopulation.do/php/Thailand admin PHP reporting NSO Go census data 2010 figures subject to revision. http://citypopulation.do/php/Thailand prov admin PHP reporting NSO Go 2017 projections on 2010 census data. This data https://jopa go /banner link/file download /130 Department Provincial Affairs Dec 2016. The 2010 census explicitly counted Thais and those with legal permanent residency status where they resided during the count. The census failed to count long-stay migrants and expats without legal permanent resident status who are estimated to number from perhaps 2 million to no less sick than 3 million nationwide. Therefore, Greater Bangkok's actual population easily surpassed 15 million by the 2010 census. The Department of Provincial Affairs KR Karpker NGDPA Gramagon Bipakrong registers Thai population and produces its own statistics separate from National Statistics Office NSO. Millions live in Bangkok region with upcountry registration. Expats, migrants, those in refugee camps, and native ethnic tribes without Thai nationality may have not been counted DPA until 2016, when separate Thai nationality and non-Thai was tabulated. The total registered population of 64,076,033 in 2011 was some 1.4 million fewer than census figures a year earlier. Thailand is still 2013 trying to officially register migrant workers. As of post-coup 2014, Thailand's Department of Employment released figures showing that 408,507 legal workers from 3 neighboring states and 1,630,279 Burmese, 40,546 Laotians, and 153,680. Nevertheless, some 180,000 Cambodians were said to have left Thailand post-coup due to rumors of a crackdown on illegals, indicating government figures may have been undercounted. Economy. For FY 2018, Bangkok Metropolitan Region had a combined economic output of 7.667 trillion baht US $247.03 billion, or 46.8% of Thailand's GDP. Bangkok BMA had an economic output of 5.386 trillion baht US $173.07 billion. This amounts to a GDP per capita of 604,421 baht US $19,497, half more than Samut Sakhon province, next in the ranking, and more than 3 times for Nonthaburi province, lowest in the ranking. Traffic. As of 31 October 2012, some 7,384,934 vehicles were registered in the metro area, roughly 1 vehicle for every 2 persons. To alleviate the ensuing congestion, massive railway development is ongoing, but its construction is causing large-scale disturbance to major thoroughfares. Destruction of green space. Bangkok's last undisturbed forested zone, Bang Kachau, in Samut Prakan's Phra Prading district, also known as the Green Lung or Thai Krifa Amo RTGS Krafomu pig's stomach, due to its shape is threatened by urban sprawl, especially since a new city plan was implemented by Samut Prakan authorities. The plan has changed the pure green area to a green and white area, which allows residents to grow crops. Bang Kachau covers over 11,818 rai and 6 tamins in Phra Prading,